Hello everyone, thanks for joining. So guys, see, so last what we discussed, guys, what all the important method we have inside our what ArrayList, correct? So any question, guys? I hope you should not have any question. If any question, let me go. Any question, guys? No, right?
No.
No. Good. So guys, see, in this class, I am going to explain what all those important constructor we have in ArrayList. Guys, do you know what is constructor? Guys, do you know?
Used select the object.
Yes. So let's see. So how this ArrayList working in ArrayList. So how this constructor working in ArrayList. So all the things I will explain one by one. Please be concentrated. Okay, this is most important guy. So in this class only, you'll come to know how ArrayList constructor has default capacity guy. Okay, what is the default capacity and how internally they are going to increase the capacity. Okay, that thing also I'm going to explain. It's important guy. Most of the time interviewer they may ask, hey, do you know what is the default initial capacity of ArrayList? Yes or no, guy? Because you know very well ArrayList or collection framework is growable in nature. Yes or no, guy? Do you know this thing, right? So collection is a growable in nature, not like that ArrayList. So not like that array, because array is a fixed in size, but collection is not a fixed in size. Correct? Guys, see, first guy, I will show what I will show what our API documentation. Guy. Do you know guy what API documentation? Guy, guy, do you know?
Yeah.
Guys, see, API documentation means complete detailed description about what respective interface or respective class. Guys, see, this is a ArrayList. Guys, see, this is our API documentation provided by Oracle guy. Because as of now, Java on Oracle is on the Java. Isn't it? Oracle what on the complete Java guy. Okay, guys, you can see what all those important constructor. Yes or no, Ankit? Guys, see everyone, please be concentrated. This concept is very important, guy. I've told guy, right? See, so these three constructors we have in our array list. Yes or no, guy? Guys, tell me yes or no? These three constructors
Yes.
we have in
Yes.
array list. Right? So array list, guys, see that array list guy you know very well. This one guy, guys, see this one. Tell me yes or no? Ankit, guys, see this array list. Zero argument. Yes or no? Tell me yes or no, guy. Yes or
Yes.
no? This guy zero argument. Tell me, guys, see this one guy. Collection of argument guy. I will show you guys. Don't worry. I will show this also. And guys, see, this is our custom guide. Guys, see, this time we are not defining any size of the list. Tell me, guys, are you defining any size here? Tell me. No, Amit. This is a default size. Yes, guys? We are not defining any size. But guys, you can see we have third constructor in array list, guys. So int initial capacity. So you can provide also, guys. You can provide also the size of the array list. So I would like to add 50, 20, 30 as per your need. How many objects you would like to insert in the array list. That means you also can give that in initial capacity. That is also explained. Don't worry. Guys, see first array list. Constructs an empty list with an initial capacity 10. Oh my god. I have told this thing earlier, yes, no? Tell me guys. This thing already I have told earlier, and I have told that time. I will explain very depth in coming class. Yes or no, guys? So guys, by default, guys, by default capacity. Listen, guys. Tell me, guys, if anybody asks you in an interview, hey, can you tell me what is the default initial capacity of a list? What you can say, guys? Tell me
Then
10. You can show them. If they will argue, no, this is 15. You can tell them, no, no, I can show you. It's 10 only. Yes or no? Guys, yes or no? Construct an empty list with an initial capacity of 10. Right? Yes. So guys, I hope you understood guys. Any question till now? No, correct? Yes. So guys, I will explain all this three constructor only. So copy and our come into our notepad. Isn't there? Where we are learning our concept. Guys, see which is our class guy? This one, right? Yes. Last to last class guy, I didn't retain this thing, right? So guy, today is which class number guy? Class number that is so how class missing guy? How many class? You have not written guy. That is 65. That date Thursday, right? Yes, one guy.
Hmm.
Programming only, right? Yes. And guy, six also we have done, right? Six. Six was on Friday, right? Or
Yeah.
7, 8, yeah. 66, right? That is the class number. So date number 6. They're programming error. Okay, today yeah, which class? Class number 7, 8, 9, right? 9, that is yeah, 67, right? So constructor, right? Constructor in ArrayList. Yes or no? Okay, tell me. So what I have copied that thing. If anybody asks you, so you can tell the answer very confidently. Listen, guys. Tell me yes or no. Guys, see. This is guy our three constructor. Guys, see the one important question guy here. So first guy, this one, right? Right guy. So do you know one thing? So default capacity how much guy? Tell me. Default capacity how much?
10.
Yes. Of array list is how much guy? 10 only. Give me 1 second guy. Let me do how much guy? 10, right? Yes. Guys, see. Then guys, see if anybody asks you, hey, how it can what? Increase the capacity gap. How it can increase the capacity gap. Then you can say gap new capacity. Yes, gap new capacity. What gap? New capacity. Tell me gap how it can calculate gap. Do you know any idea? Tell me gap any.
Using increase method.
No, guys see. So internally gap what happened gap So old capacity, old old what gap capacity. Yes, old capacity. Not you can say old capacity multiply 3 divide 2 plus 1 guys.
Plus 1.
This thing you keep in mind guys. Important thing. Then you can say with how. So when the object reached on the length size guy. Okay, when the object reached on the length size, suppose guy in this, suppose if I inserted 10 object guy, so because you know very well by default size is 10. Okay, when the size will reach on 10, then guy how it will increase guy, it can see in this way guy. So give one example guy, understand. Suppose guy if you have old capacity how much guy? 10. Yes, okay? By default capacity is 10. So 10 multiply 3 divide 2, sorry, divide 2 plus 1. Yes, okay? Then tell me what real guy? 10 multiplied 3 30 गए 30 by 2 how much 15 plus 1 16 yes okay tell me yes or no guys tell me any idea yes or no
Yes.
guys see when
Mm.
16 guy in suppose the object is 16 guy then how can I guys see then what old capacity guy 16 right 16 multiply what guy so multiply how much guy sorry multiply 3 divide 2 plus 1 get tell me how much 16 3 guy 48 isn't it? Divide 2 how much guy 24 isn't it? Plus 1 25 are you getting a no Amit so guys see accordingly it will increase internally Ankit you are telling that right Amit how it increasing so in this way guy correct so as per guy your object capacity will increase automatically when it increase 25 guy again guy 25 into 3 okay by 2 plus 1 okay it will get do so guys is our first constructed correct yes any question guy no I hope guy no correct and guys see second guy suppose this one guy this one second constructed guy suppose this one so guy how it can get how it can do guy how it can do tell me do you know any idea guys see you see mention guy initial capacity guy initial capacity so guys see suppose if you will write guy what initial capacity guy suppose new array list new array list guy 20 guys you know you can see Amit once 20 will reach guy same thing guy when 20 will reach guy how it calculate guy tell me how it calculate guy tell me if size 20 reached guy how it can calculate do you know any idea
Mm.
no why
Cool.
why you do not know guy simple right if it reach get 20 then guy how it can simple right so old capacity how much tell me old capacity how much 20 only right
Yes.
yes so old capacity get 20 20 multiply 3 yes okay divide 2 plus 1 yes okay tell me yes Amit tell me yes or no simple na very simple right
Yes.
so 20 multi because old capacity is 20 right 20 multiply 3 by 2 plus 1 so 60 by 2 how much guy 60 by 2 how much 30 plus 1 how much guy 31 capacity increase guy if you are using that constructor Ankit are you getting or not Pritish are you getting or not
Yes.
so
Yes.
if you are using this constructor that means you should provide in initial capacity suppose you thinking hey what I'm going to add the data 20 already sufficient not it will more than 20 then guys suppose in case you thought no I need to add some other data then guys how it can automatically increase so internally guys it uses this concept means guys old capacity multiply 3 by 2 plus 1 every time guys good yes can you see our second constructor then guys see third constructor are interesting or boring guys can you confirm no it's boring no it's interesting tell me guys it's interesting only right yes guys see this time guy a list is argument guy collection this time guy argument as a collection guy do you know what is collection guy that is group of objects guy that is group of objects guy in this guy you know what happening guy so one array list one array list adding other guy what happening in this so one array list adding means one collection of object adding into other collection of object yes or no one collection of object adding into the other collection object are you getting so you should create two array list. You should create two array list, and you need to pass one array list reference into other array list. How? You can see here. Array list. 1 minute. Okay. So array list. Array list. Yes or no? Suppose AL equals to what? New array list. 1 minute. Why is coming changing automatically? 24 bold. Guys, see. So you're getting a one array list. What I've told. So one array list reference, if you're passing another array list constructor guy, that time guy you can see that is collection of objects. Yes or no? Guys, see array list AL equal to new array list. Any question guy till now? No, Amit. I don't have any question. Okay, see. Guys, see, suppose if you would like to get add some data, AL dot add. Yes or no? AL dot add. If you add guy 10. Correct? Yes. Any question guy? No. Then guys, see what you're doing here. You can create guy one other array list. Yes or no? Guy. So array list AL1. You can mention suppose. This is AL1. And guys, see, suppose if you're passing this reference guy, you're passing this AL reference into this constructor guy. Tell me yes or no. You're passing guy this AL guy. So this is guy one collection, yes or no? This is one collection or not? Tell me. This is one collection, na? AL list, AL list, and you're adding some data into this AL list. Yes or no? Guy, tell me yes or no. This is one collection or not? Can you confirm? Can you confirm? This is one AL list or not?
Yes.
This is one AL list, right? And this AL list reference you're passing in another AL list. See, same thing or not? Tell me this one. This array list third constructor guy expect what? Collection of object. Guys, see, so this AL is what? This AL is a, tell me what this AL is a collection of object. Yes or no? So this AL will pass in another array list guy. Correct? And guy, you can, what's happening? Really this, see. So guys, see, then what we can do guys? AL1 dot, because now we have AL1 array list guys. AL1 dot add. Suppose if you're going to add some other data guy, add. Suppose first time 10 guy. Suppose if you would like to add 20 here. Correct? Any question? No. Correct? Suppose AL1 dot add some other data guy. Add suppose 30. Any question? No, no question. Then guys, see if you would like to print this result guy, sys out, and you can print guy AL1. Then guy tell me what result you print guy? 10, 20, 30. Yes or no? Tell me guy, yes or no? So guy, that thing I will show on the our ID guy. So how this constructor is using guy? Yes or no? How this third constructor guy? This thing you know very well. No need to explain guy. This default you know very well. And this is also you know very guy. Whatever capture you are giving, accordingly will insert data guy. And third guy, it's important also. So it expect third constructor expect guy collection of object as an argument. So guys, see AL I am passing that is a what? Collection of object guy. Correct guy? Any question till now? I hope no. Tell me. Any question? Tell me any question.
No.
No. Guys, see if anybody asks you, hey, what do you mean by API documentation? What you can tell me, guys? Any idea? Guys, you understand? One small theory, guys. A small story I am giving about API documentation. Guys, see, whenever if you're going to purchase some washing machine, guys, you know, whenever if you're going to purchase some washing machine, you know washing machine, guys, cloth is cleaning, yes or no? The machine in which the cloth is going to clean, yes or no? Guys, confirm me, yes or no? No, I don't know. Washing machine.
Yes.
So when you purchase in washing machine guy, so definitely the shopkeeper will give one user manual guide. Yes or no guy? So how it operate? Yes or no guy? They'll give us some user manual guide. So how this washing machine is going to operate? Tell me yes or no? Yes. So guys, it's same like guy in our Java. So James Gosling introduced Java guy. Yes or no? So they have provided one document. They provided some user manual guide. Yes or no? So how our Java related stuff, class, interface is used. Yes or no guy? Means how we are going to perform the machine for the purpose. The shopkeeper has given one user manual guide. Same like our product guide Java. Yes or no? Who introduced by James Gosling. So they have given some document. That document is called API document. Okay, did you get it? Okay, did you get it? If anybody asks you, hey, what is API documentation? You can just assume just like washing machine user manual guide, what they have provided to us, how it's operating. Yes or no? So same like James Gosling also provided one document to how Java, in Java what is happening class is there, interface is there, variables are there, constructor are there, methods are there. Yes or no So how all these things we are going to use? Tell me yes or no? No response.
Yes, Amit.
Ankit, are you getting or not? Pritish, are you getting or not? If anybody asks you, hey,
Getting.
what is API documentation? Then you can say just like a user manual guide. So how all the things we are going to use in Java. So all the complete detailed description mentioned in this API documentation. Yes, guys, you can see guys. I mentioned guys here. So guys, it's here. ArrayList Java platform SE. Guys, see why Oracle Help Center guy? Because this doc created by Oracle. Why Oracle? Because Java owned by Oracle only. Got it? So Oracle owned by Java. Yes, no? Java owned by Oracle. Okay, so all the detailed description maintained by Oracle only. So they have given some document. Mention http docs.oracle.com. Yes or no? So guys, that is the API documentation. So don't confuse guys if anybody asks you, hey, what is documentation? Okay, what is API documentation? Guys? Great. So guys, see. So for this, I will explain why simple example. Guys, understand? Class. Are you feeling interesting or boring, guy? No, Amit, not feeling good. I'm feeling bored. No, Amit, I'm getting good. Tell me, guy. Ankit, do you know all this thing earlier? No, Amit. Yes, Amit.
Not all, but
Array list, guys, see A1 equal to new array list. Guys, see, guys, I've created one array list. Listen, guys, I've created one array list. Correct? Any question, guy? I hope no, right? Yes. And guys, see, in this array list, guy, I have added some object, guy. A1 dot suppose add 10. Correct? Yes. A1 dot add, guys, suppose 20. Any question, guy? No, Amit. I'm good. Guys, see, I've created one other array list, guy. I've created one other array list. Guys, suppose A2. Guys, see, suppose if I'm going to pass this collection of object, guy, AL, because so A1 contains, guy, two object, guy. Yes or no? It contains, guy, multiple or also, guy. You can add one more object. Don't worry. A1 dot what, guy? Add. Suppose if I'm going to add, guy, here a string. Yes, sir. Some string, guy. Okay, no problem. Guys, see. Suppose Ankit. See. Guys, see. Now, all these three objects I'm going to pass, guy, other array list, guy. See, A2. Guys, see what I can add, guy? A1. Yes or no? Guy, tell me yes or no? Tell me
Yes,
yes.
yes.
AL. So A2 add. Guys, see. Again, I'm going to add some other guy object. Just like guys, see Rawson. Okay. Yes, Amit. Then guys, see A2 dot add. I'm going to add guys some char. Okay. Suppose A. Any question, guy? And guys, suppose I'm going to add A2 dot add null as well, guys. What, guy? Null. Guys, see now I'm going to print inter object. Guys, see sys out. Guys, sys out A2. Tell me, guys, what should be the result, guys? Any idea? Guys, see. Tell me, guys, what's the idea? What should the result, guys? Anyone? Any idea? Guys, see. Guys, see. So you're telling me 10, 20 Ankit, which at least, guy? A1, yes or no? Guys, tell me yes or no?
It, it, yeah, ArrayList.
And guys, see A2 we have, guy. Which data, guy? Rawson A and null, yes or no? Rawson and guys, see. All are get together, guy, in one collection. Guys, see yes or no? So I hope, guy, you understood this. Guys, see yes or no? So Alice, guy, expect collection of object. This third constructor, guy, expect collection of object. Guys, see, this is guy called collection of objects. No? This A1 guy contains collection of objects. No? So one array list,
Mm.
if you are going to add in another array list, you can use guy what? This constructor. Yes or no? Yes, Amit. Perfectly fine. This you know very well. And guy, this is nothing. You can initialize only 20 guy. Suppose if you're going to create guy here one other array list, suppose you can copy guy this array list. Control V. Guys, see if you're providing guy, suppose 5. Guys, see that time guy, you know what happened guy, you know. So this will not take guy initial capacity guy. So it will not take initial capacity 10 guy. It will take 5 guy. Why? Because I have reduced as per our need guy, only 5. But guys, see if you're going to add more than 5 guy, guys, see if you add more than 5. If you add more than 5 guys, see suppose A3, right? This is A3. A3, this is A3, this is A3, and guys, see suppose A3 dot add. A3 dot add guy. If you write here, suppose 10 A3 dot add. If you write here, suppose 10.5 A3 dot add A, not A, you can write suppose B, A3 dot add. Or you can write duplicate also, no problem. Guy, tell me what should you get for this? Any idea? Guy, tell me what result guy print? Tell me guy. Who will tell? Who will tell? Guy, can anyone tell? No response. Guy, are you there?
Yes, yes, Amit, I'm there.
Why are you responding? Guy, see. Tell me guy, I have defined size 5. But guy, it is holding more than 5 or not? Tell me. Tell me yes or no. I have defined 5, but it holding more than 5 or not? Guy, tell me. Tell me yes or no.
Yes,
Why? Because due to this. I have defined 5. But if you are going to add more than 5, then guy, it will multiply this way. 5 into 3. by divide 2 plus 1, it will get automatically increase the size. Yes, Unga? Yes, Amit. Tell me. Tell me yes or no. Respond. Yes, Amit. Correct. Are 100% correct? No, Amit. Are incorrect. So, yeah, that is all our theory constructor what we are going to use frequently in our what collection. Yes or no? Tell me.
Yes.
So, yeah, I hope you understood completely. You should not have any confusion. Correct? Any confusion? No. Get me. Any confusion?
No.
No? Good. That is our this one type of what? So this is a all different type of constructor in our array list. Correct? Then guys see I will write some other program guy which is also important, but I will discuss this thing tomorrow class. Okay. So how we're going to add one collection to other collection guy. So for the purpose also guy we have one important method that is guy add all. What is guy? Add all. Suppose in your project guy. Suppose if you're doing one project, suppose guy a school management system. What guy? A school management system. Guys, see in a school management system guy, you have one department, one employee department, and guy suppose a student. Then guys, see attendance, admin. Guys, see suppose if you have multiple collection guy. Yes or no? In a student guy, multiple student will be there. In employee guy, so multiple teacher will be there. Means teacher class guy. Suppose teacher array list, not a teacher class guy. So teacher array list. Suppose if you will have non-teaching staff guy. So if you will have multiple collection in your school management system, then guy, how you going to add one collection to other collection guy? So you can add first teacher. First you can create one teacher collection. Then you can teacher collection add into what? Admin collection. Admin collection into add into what? Non-teaching. Yes or no? No, it's not good program practice. Just like what we have done this program guy. See what I've done this guy. We want to get yeah this one guy. See suppose guy this is one array list. So one array list adding this array list. Suppose if you would like to array list A to add in some array list guy, then you can pass this A2 in other array list constructor guy. Yes or no? Suppose if you would like to this A2 collection need to pass some other array list. What we can do guy? This A2 reference you can pass in other array list. Yes or no? Ankit, but it's not good programming practice guy. For the purpose, you have one important method guy that we call add all. Add all. So that thing I will explain tomorrow class guy, not today. Okay. So how we are going to add one collection to another collection? We have two approach. One approach guy, this approach. So you can pass this reference to in our other A list constructor. Correct? You know this thing. But guy, one other also guy why I'm telling guys this is not good programming approach because guys suppose if you have 10 array list, so A1 pass into A2, A2 pass into A3, A3 into A4, A5. Yes or no? It's not good. Suppose in your project, in your company, guys, in your application, if you will have 100 array list, if you will have 100 array list, so you can pass one array list to other array list constructor, other array list constructor to other array list constructor. It's not good. Yes or no? Is it good guy? No. So you can use add all in single call you can add other our collection of objects. Yes or no? Okay, no problem. If you add only I will explain here only guy. Don't worry. If you have time, I can add guy. See, suppose guy, this one A1, A2, yes or no? This one guy, we have two array lists, A1, A2. If I will create guy, see array list B1. Yes or no guy? Correct? Any question guy? No myth. So in this B1 guy, suppose B1 dot add. B1 dot add guy. Suppose if I add guy, then I will get 10. Okay, no problem. Then guys see, no, one thing I guys see, this is a normal uh, normal constructor is guy. This is normal constructor guy. But guy, I would like to add guy generic constructor guy. Do you know what mean generic constructor guy? Ankit, Roshan, do you know what is generic constructor guy? So as of now, you are adding a what int or a string, what character, null. But guy, if you would like to use what generic constructor guy, do you know how guy? Guys see,
Yeah.
guys see how. Suppose array list test 6, array list test 6. Guys understand quickly. It will not take too much time. It will take very simple, no problem. What only thing is that we will take here what array list, but generic based guy. What? It will take generic based guy. So array list guys is generic. Generic is guy. Suppose I will take integer only. Yes or no? So only we will take integer type of array list. Yes or no guy? A1 equals to new what guy? New array list. But I can remove this thing. We no need. Yes or no? Correct guy? And I need to use generic. Correct? Integer. Any question guy? Tell me. As of now, I have no right. Tell me any question. So this program belongs to
No, Amit.
how we are going to insert, how we are going to insert one collection to other collection guy. Did you guys see? And guys see in this a1 dot, I will quickly complete guy. Don't worry. Integer guy. I put 10 here, right? Correct. And guys see, I will create some other array list. Control V and get this one a2. Yes or no? Yes, Amit. A2 dot add. I will put 20. Correct. Correct guy? Yes. And guys see, if I'm going to pass guy here a1. Yes or no? This thing you know variable guy, correct? And guy is out. I'm passing a a2. You know variable what result it will print guy. Correct? This simple guy, which generic guy. I'm going to add one collection into other collection with the help of generic. Correct? Yes. Guys, see in second concept guy. So I will copy this one only. I write here this one and guy b1. This guy I will write b1 and guy I'm adding some b1. I'm putting guy suppose 30. Any question guy till now? No, Amit. I'm good. Ankit, any question?
Yeah, no.
No. If any question, let me know. It's important guy, okay? Because all the concepts you should understand. Guys, suppose it's 40. Okay? Yes. Great guy. And suppose guy, if also you can create one B3. Okay. If you have three collection guy, distinct guy, B3. B3. Add 50. Great guy. Guys, see. Now guy, in this thing, what I'm doing guy, B3 dot add all. Guy, you can see. Then add all guys see. Tell me yes or no? Add all. Guys see. Add all guy. Suppose if I would like to get B3, I would like to get B1. Guys, see, I'm passing a B1. Yes or no? Yes, Amit. Guys, see B3 dot add all. Guys, see, understand? Add all. If I'm passing guy here B2 as well. Guys, see, yes or no? Guys, understand? Yes, Amit. Correct. Guys, tell me. Sorry. Guys, tell me yes or no? Are you getting a difference between both?